Now, probably the most important thing to know about a workers' compensation settlement is that it is final once it has been signed and reviewed and approved by a workers' compensation judge. Another way of saying that is that you can't settle your workers' compensation case without having a judge review and approve it. But once the judge approves it, you generally can't undo that settlement. So what that really means is when you're making a decision about settlement, you need to make a very good decision. You need to have a good understanding of what's going to happen to you in the future. Because once the judge has approved the settlement amount, you can't come back and undo it. So before doing that, you need to have a really good understanding of the Georgia workers' compensation system, or you need to have an attorney on your side who does. Because workers' compensation settlements in Georgia are final once they're approved by a workers' compensation judge and are almost impossible to undo at that point, I always recommend that somebody speak with a workers' compensation attorney before they move forward with settling their case. It doesn't mean that they have to hire an attorney, but they should at least be aware of their options and have a good understanding of what settlement means and also what an attorney might be able to do to help them. Because again, if you make a decision to settle your case, even if you don't have an attorney representing you, and that settlement paperwork signed and then the judge approves it, you're not going to be able to change things later. So you want to make sure and make a very good decision about settlement when you are exploring that process and have all the information that you need in order to make that decision.